So let's work with the second floor plan. In the previous tutorials I've worked with the first floor plan. Now we are going to use the first floor as an XREF and import it in a new drawing, and we will use the first floor XREF as a reference to draw the second floor plan. Okay, so we will go here, go new, and I will take the same exact template, tutorial iArch, and hit open. Okay, so you get this blank screen with the layout. So we will be drawing in the model space as usual. So before I begin anything, first thing I will do is import my first floor drawing, which has already been completed, into my new drawing, which is the second floor. So to do that, I will type XR for XREF, enter, and I will go in here and attach the first floor drawing onto my screen over here, which I'll use as a reference. So I click attach, I'll look for the first floor, which I have completed already, hit open. Now all I have to do is hit OK. And remember last time when we did this XREF, we moved it to 0, 0, 0. So when I import the first floor XREF, I want it to come right here, which is again 0, 0, 0 for my second floor plan. So to do that, once I hit OK, I just type for the insertion point as 0, 0, 0 and hit enter. So if you see, the first floor went right in the right location where I wanted it to be. So my second floor plan will start right there. Okay, so next thing I have to make sure is I am going onto the right layers to do my right drawings. So if I go onto the layers, you see over here it shows all the first floor plan XREF layers which got imported with the drawing. Now even the first floor looks a little bit lighter than it usually is. Why? Because this is an XREF. Secondly, when I click on the first floor, it comes in as one piece rather than a live drawing. Again, the reason being because it is an XREF. So what I will do right now is go ahead and go to the walls layer and start placing my second floor walls. Now my second floor is just this part that you see over here, and you also see this is a second floor line, as in my second floor overhangs a little bit on top of my first floor. This part I will just have the roof, as in because there is a garage right here. Okay, so let's start with the second floor. So I will be using these existing walls to trace the outline as well as the internal walls wherever possible for my second floor. So I'll go to the walls layer, start with the basic line tool, L, enter, and I will start my tracing. I start right there, go all the way here, and keep going. There you go, and there. I will offset this thing. I have to move it down because it didn't snap right. Now I will offset my my wall to that thickness offset, which was I assume 6 inches, and I offset it on this side, offset it on that side. I do the same thing on these sides as well. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. So I have my outside walls already laid. I have another offset over here which I will make 6. Okay, then I will trace these lines, which is my rooms. which is my bedrooms. I will offset them 6 inches as well. Offset them 6 inches. I have my staircase wall, which I would trace as well, starting here, going all the way down, maybe up till here, then go back there. I use my wall going here up till, make sure I get it right, from here I continue going. So all I'm doing basically is just tracing down my walls. Okay, I'm going to do a little bit approximate because you know, I want to save some time over here, but I hope you understand what I'm trying to achieve over here. Okay, all I'm doing is tracing using the help of my first floor walls underneath. So I place that, then I have this wall as well, which is bedroom number 2. This is bedroom number 1, so I'm going to put those walls over there, and then eventually I'll start putting in my windows and my doors. So if you look right now, my drawing has become so much efficient and so fast just because I imported in my first floor as an XREF, and I'm using it as an overlay to trace my second floor. So the next thing I would be doing over here, this kitchen turns into another bedroom, so I am going to trace those walls starting from there, going up to here, starting from there, going up to here. Then this turns into a bath, and this turns into a bath as well. So I have 2 bathrooms on the second floor. So I'm going to do that. I will do this wall. Make sure I'm using all my snaps right to move this up. Okay, and then from the center of this line I will split the toilet into 2, one there and one here. Delete the center line, and we'll extend this up till here, and then offset it this distance for the door opening, which is from here till here on both sides, and trim out the open space, which is that one and this one. Okay, so it does get a little confusing because you have the drawing underneath it, but with a little practice you would get used to it. Now I have a few more things that I need to add, as in I have a little linen closet over here, which I would just trace this one out. It looks a little different than the one that I'm drawing right now, but it's okay as far as you understand how I am working with the XREFs and tracing my drawing. Now the linen closet has a door opening over here, so I'm just going to trim out this space. Okay, and I can put another door over here. Now what else do I have? I have a walk-in closet over here with access to this bedroom, so I will extend this as a wall. and I can trim out this opening to show the access to my walk-in closet. Okay, now most of it is done already. I will have to put the roof for my garage. So I could use the wall layer, or I could have another layer if I wanted, but this is basically the roof of my garage that is underneath. Click on the right spot, make sure everything goes in fine, and there you go. Actually, these walls are going to go all the way up till here because this is the second floor line. So I will have to move these walls all the way up till here, and then I can do my fillets and my trims to complete the wall. Okay, do that. Do the same thing on this side because the second floor overhangs over my first floor. Okay, I'll keep that line actually, and then I will have to throw in some windows. I'm just doing it approximately, again trying to match it up with the first floor, but you will have to do it with the proper dimensions. Looks like my walk-in closet has a window as well, so I'm going to put another window there. I'm going to extend the walk-in closet to these walls, and then I'll have another couple windows for my second floor, second bedroom, and this is my bedroom number 3, where I will have another few windows for the toilets, and so on and so forth. Okay, so now I'm pretty much done. I'll put another window in my bedroom number 4 and another window on this side. Okay, now when everything is pretty much done, at least the major walls have been traced, what I will do is hide my first floor by clicking on it, right click, and I will do unload. So it temporarily hides my first floor. So this is what I got from my first floor, and I know that all the walls are falling in the right location, and I'm pretty much good to go. So I have bedroom number 1 here, I have a bedroom number 2, bedroom number 3, and bedroom number 4. This is where my staircase ends up on the top. It goes from the first floor and keeps going up. So I could show a few steps going up, and I could cut it out with my cut line. Right? So that's my staircase. This is the walk-in closet. This is the bathroom number 1. This is the bathroom number 2. I could go in and insert the different templates from the design center using the right layer. Okay, so basically this is how we do the second floor off of the first floor and use it for tracing and dimension the drawing, put in the windows, do my trims, and go from there. It does require time. It's not as it doesn't go as fast as it looks over here. This is not done in detail, but I'm pretty sure you get the idea. Okay, so now when this is done, I will show you a completed drawing of the second floor. So this is how your second floor should end up looking. This is your garage roof, this is your bedrooms, the toilets, the kitchens, the hallways, the staircase, the walk-in closet, everything completed. And this again should fall right onto the first floor, okay, which is right in the exact location with 0, 0, 0. Okay, I hope you followed it.